So I'm here to give some 8th grade advice that may help new students if they're not quite prepared to move into 8th grade yet. So my first piece of advice would be to know where all your classes are and what time they start. If you don't know where they are, then you could be rushing around trying to find them right as it starts. Or if you don't know what time they start, then you could just miss your class completely because you had the wrong hour. So make sure you know where your classes are and what time they start and how to get to them. My second piece of advice would be to work on your assignments throughout the week and don't just rush them all in the last couple days at the end of the week, because this makes it so you can't do your best work because you'll be rushing to get all of them in, and also some of them might take longer than a week, so you'll need to be ready for that too. My third piece of advice is on assignments to take your time. Don't rush it. It's not like if you don't finish it within 10 minutes, the whole world will explode. Or you'll just get an F, But even on assignments that are timed, they usually give you a good enough time limit that you can think it through and check your answers before you turn it in. So make sure you take your time and don't rush the assignments or questions, especially on big tests. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck in the 8th grade.